Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Visual Composer in WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and open any page or post you wish to edit. Click the Edit with Visual Composer button to launch the editor. You'll immediately see a user-friendly interface with various tools to start building your content. This powerful plugin simplifies website design, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of their technical skill level. Building your page is straightforward with Visual Composer's drag-and-drop functionality. Begin by adding rows and columns to define your page structure. Then, select from a diverse range of content elements, such as text blocks, images, or videos, and simply drag them into your layout. Each element offers extensive customization options, allowing you to fine-tune its appearance and behavior to achieve your desired look. Take your designs further by exploring Visual Composer's advanced features. Leverage the extensive library of pre-designed templates and layouts to jumpstart your projects, saving valuable time. For truly unique aesthetics, you can apply custom CSS directly within the editor. Always remember to check and optimize your page for mobile responsiveness, ensuring a flawless viewing experience on screens of all sizes, from desktops to smartphones. Once your masterpiece is complete, you have a few options. You can save your work as a draft if you're not quite ready to go live, allowing you to return and refine it later. When you're satisfied, simply hit the Publish button to make your new page visible to the world. Don't forget to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.